Hello, I'm Robin, and let me introduce you to the Molten Motion Meter 1U. Oh yes, wonderfully horizontal, a veritable festival of lights, of modulation, of manipulation, of attenuation, of audio mixing, of signal changing, of combining of envelopes and LFOs and voltages and the generation of offsets, movement, mixing, the melding of things, the changing of things, the alteration of things along the way while beautifully representing it in a circle of light. The Molten Motion Meter generates voltage, it mixes signals, it combines modulations in interesting and beautiful ways. It'll show you exactly what's going through it, so you can visualize the modulation that's moving through your system from one place to another. Just use it as a mixer. Audio, voltage, combine modulations through it. Turn things down, turn things up, or turn things over. The 1U version is exactly the same as the original 3U Molten Motion Meter, but this time we've got an extra knob. We had a lot of discussion over that. You know, if you're going to go for a 1U version, should it be a single knob? Because 1U stuff tends to be on the small side. Well, maybe go for 2, 3, but then that's not giving you anything different from the original. 4 then. Yes. Let's do 4. 4 channels is nice. You could stick 2 of these together and it would dominate your entire 1U row. And dominate it brilliantly, offering wonderful, wonderful things. It's a manipulator, it's a control station, it's kind of ready to be whatever you want it to be. And in this brilliant new orientation, you'll find it extraordinarily useful for any patch. The Molten Motion Meter in 1U will be available at the end of June, direct from Bafako and all associated dealers. It will come ready assembled for you to drop into your rack, although we are thinking about doing a kit version, but it's a little bit different with 1U because you have to miniaturize and put it onto a small PCB, all surface mounted. So if there is a kit, it's just going to be about the front panel hardware. But I'm immensely proud of this thing, and I'm very thankful to Bafako for sticking with it and going with it and extending it into interesting places. And I hope that you'll consider it as a useful tool within your Eurorack. I hope that was helpful. In the meantime, go make some tunes.